Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Mom, we were so worried. Are you okay?
Oh, my dear children. Don't worry. Mama is all right.
Mom, what did the doctor say?
The doctor said many things. But I'm strong. And your dad and I will figure it out together.
We love you so much, Mom.
I love you too, sweetie. And I'm going to fight this with all my love for you.
We will be here for you, Mom. Every step of the way.
Thank you, my brave children.
All right, kids. Let's let Mama rest for a bit. How about we have some lunch together, okay?
Sounds good, Dad. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Daniel, I feel so sorry for your kids. This is really tough on them.
Yes, it is, Roger. But you know, it's all a part of God's plan. We have to find happiness in His plan.
I understand. Well, I should get going now.
Thank you so much for being here. Your support means a lot.
It's okay, my friend. We are in this together. Just remember, you can call me if you ever need anything.
That means a lot, Roger. Thank you. Take care.
Son, did you reach home safely?
Yes, Mom. We just arrived home.
Good to hear. I'm on the way to your place. I will be there soon.
Okay, Mom. We will be here waiting for you.
Who was on the phone, Daniel?
It was your mother, dear. She is coming to see you.
My mom is coming? That's sweet of her.
She is worried about you. Just like all of us. Did the kids have lunch?
Yes. They did. They are in the playroom, keeping busy.
That's good to hear. It's nice to see them cheerful.
I appreciate that, Daniel. You are an amazing father. Why are you crying?
Jane. How can I live without you? And how can our kids?
Please don't cry. It's all a part of God's plan, my love.
But, how will I manage everything without you?
Daniel. Promise me something.
Anything, Jane. Anything for you.
After I pass away, please take good care of our kids. Don't let them feel alone.
I promise. I will love them. And protect them with all my heart.
Thank you. You are the best father they could ever have.
Hello, my dear Anna. How are you?
I'm good, Grandma. How about you?
I'm good too, dear. Thank you for asking. Now, tell me, Jane. What did the doctor say?
Nanny. You know what? Mama is fine. The doctor says nothing happened to her.
Oh. That's wonderful news.
Okay, kids. Why don't you go to the playroom for a while? Let Nana get some rest.
Okay, Nanny. We will talk later.
Sure, sweetie.
Mom. I need to tell you something the doctor said.
What is it, dear? You are making me worried.
Mom. I have a brain tumor. It's large. And the doctor said I have only about 1 month to live.
What? A tumor? And just 1 month?
Yes, Mom. I'm so sorry to tell you this way. Mom. We will face this together as a family. Daniel and the kids need your support too.
This is so unfair, dear. You are so young. Don't cry, sweetie. Remember, whatever is written in a person's destiny will happen. We have to stay strong.
But Mom, I'm so concerned about my kids. How will they live without a mother?
We will take care of them, honey. You have raised them with love and kindness. Sweetheart, did you eat anything today?
No, Mom. I don't feel like eating anything.
Come, my dear. You need your strength. Let's have something together. You have always been a strong person, my dear. We will face this challenge together as a family.
I just worry about Daniel. And the kids, Mom.
Daniel is a good husband and father. He will take care of them. And we will be there to support them too. Remember, you are not alone in this, sweetie. We are here for you, okay?
Yes. I know, Mom.
Now, finish your meal, dear. It's important to keep your strength up.
Thanks, Mom. You being here means everything to me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.